Welcome back to the Electricians 2 channel. On the bench today, we're going to do a comparison review between the KAIWEETS KT301P circuit breaker finder and the KLEIN 2's ET310 digital circuit breaker finder. Now, KAIWEETS, they just recently sent me this one and asked me to do a review on it. And you know I'm going to give my unbiased review. To tell you the truth about them. So I hope you stay tuned to as I review this one. I review both of them and give you my opinion on both of them. I've been having the KLEIN for quite some time, for a number of years now. And like I said, I just got this one about 2-3 days ago. Now, I've used this one before. I mean, several times continuously. And I've used this one a few times since I've gotten it. And I got to tell you, I'm quite pleased with it. You know, if you had any kind of doubts or any kind of questions about KAIWEETS, I have some of their tools here and on my bench. You know, not real big tools, but I do have some tools by them. And I never heard of KAIWEETS before until recently. But I think the tools are okay. Anyway, let's get right to it. We're going to do some comparisons, and I'll let you guys know just my opinion about them both. Now, if you're looking at both of them, let me just move the camera to the side some so you'll see what I'm talking about. All right. If you look at both of them, they almost look alike now. So I'm going to have to say with this one, since KLEIN been out first, I'm going to have to say that something going on here, like a little bit cloning here as far as the KAIWEETS. It looks almost identical, except the back here. You can plug the KLEIN into here, the back of it, and carry it around as one tool. The KAIWEETS, it doesn't have that. It doesn't have it where you can plug the back into the receiver. Now, but KAIWEETS give you this digital display, and give you the test for, and also a GFCI test. And once you perform the test, it lets you know. It gives you a pass or fail up on here. I've seen pass. I didn't see anything that I don't have a GFCI that failed, but I'm assuming that it reads fail also. Now, KLEIN does make one of these here, and I'm gonna bring this in a little bit later because I want to do a comparison between the two to let you know just how they compare. But right now, as a kit, this is what all comes together for KAIWEETS. You get a nice case that comes with it. Hold on, let me get it for you. You get a nice case that comes with it, and everything is. Well, don't worry about the batteries. I just had the batteries in here for something else. But batteries, I mean not the batteries, where everything is kind of form-fitting, and put the alligator clips up here. So it's a real nice case, real nice hard case. KLEIN also have a kit that comes with there too in the case, and they also come with these adapters here. These are one for the plug and one for the Edison-based bulbs that you can use. KLEIN have one that comes with the Edison-based bulb. They have one of these also. I just can't find it. But they do have one of these that come with the kit also that plugs in the back of here, just in case you were to be trying to use it. So that comes with the kit. Now, on Amazon, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you guys were interested in these in one of these tools. Now, on Amazon, if you were to buy this kit by KAIWEETS, as of today, is on Amazon. If you're a Prime member, you get it for $49.99. Is everything what you see here, including the case. And if you were to buy this KLEIN with the case, it'll cost you $69 $1.98. Now, let me see what else. And that includes the case also. What I want to do, I'm just as far as the build quality for between them both, they both are really nice. They both feel pretty good in the hand, but the KLEIN feels a little bit heavier than this one does, and they both have batteries in it. This one, the KAIWEETS takes two AAA batteries. KLEIN takes one 9-volt battery to run it. If you look at these side by side, let me just adjust the. They almost look alike. They almost look alike here. The KLEIN have a little bit more dip in the nose in the front, but they almost look alike. They're about the same height though, for sure. And when you turn this one on, this is what you get. Okay? And when you turn the KLEIN on, this is what you get. Now, if you were to find a breaker, it lights up, let you know that you found it with this red here. This one has a sensitivity, whereas when you get close to the breaker, it'll let you know, and it reaches it. It just gives you the strength that you're getting closer or you far away, which is a nice feature. But the KLEIN, as far as weight is concerned, it feels a little bit more durable than this one does. And that's the KLEIN that's making this beeping noise. I don't know how to turn the beeping noise off. Then for some of you who that may get on your nerves, except just turn it off. That's the only way you can stop it. This one doesn't have it, but it does have a nice flashlight, which you have to. I'm trying to get it turned on. Hold on, wait. I just had it. There we go. Nice little work flashlight, which comes in handy if you have to work in the dark, and it is bright. Everything on this one works. Everything on it works, and it works perfectly. I had no problem with it at all, no issues at all. So I'm going to plug it in just to let you guys see how this looks. Okay. This is the mains, 120 volts. So it's not it's not plugged into a GFCI, okay? But I just want to show you how it looks. That's how it looks. Nice screen, 119 volts, 120 volts, and it gives you the green light here in the back. Now, the one that comes with, and let you know was correct, neutral, hot, and the ground. As we know, what comes with the KLEIN is just this one. It gives you just 2 lights and let you know that's correct wiring. Now, remember, KLEIN has another one that's not part of this kit, but I just want to show you right now, comparing these two together. And I see, even after I took it out, it has a hold on it. So that's good. That's really good. Has a hold feature on it. I set that right there. We'll see how long that lasts. But this one, let me plug it in. Okay, and if I had to put them together, let me see. I gotta say that this KAIWEETS, the screen looks much better than this KLEIN. I mean, much better, much more detail, much more information. But the KLEIN is nice too, but this one has a much more, a better display, larger numbers, more information, and that's to let you know that it has this correct wiring. So, and this one takes two AAA batteries. Also, this takes 2 AAA batteries. I don't know if I pressed something to hold this or what, but it's staying Can I reset it? Because it's been on for quite some time. I just to turn it off then. Okay, well, it cleared. I don't know what it's saying, line to neutral. I don't know why it's saying that. But it's not giving me no reading, so it's not like anything wrong with it. Just ain't open. Okay, that's good. This one, same thing. Let me just kind of clean the screen, just kind of. There we go. Clean the screen, but compared to this one, it still looks kind of. I can see it, but it looks dim compared to the KAIWEETS. And this KLEIN one does feel a little bit heavier than this one. If I had to drop them both, I'm thinking that this KLEIN would survive. Maybe this one would survive. I'm not sure, but the plastic feels just a little bit lighter than the KLEIN. Now, as far as, let me see, opening it up, you guys see. There we go. 2 AA battery, AAA batteries. It's not I gotta wash the screw. I don't know if all of them are like this or not, but it came out after I loosened it up. You don't want to lose that screw. Trust me, I don't think you'll find another one. This KLEIN, same thing. And this is a much larger screw because I have to flip the screwdriver over. I think it's, there we go. 9-volt battery. And the screw doesn't come out. So I like that feature too. And they have a metal insert. I didn't see the insert on this one, on the other one. But it's the metal insert. And yeah, it looks like it's a metal insert. Yeah, metal insert too. It's a metal insert in there too. So that's good. So you don't have to worry about it stripping the plastic and it's not tightening up. So let me just see if I can make it beep for you when I plug it in. All right, here we go. Sometimes you can make them beep. I don't know if it's this one or not, but that's the non-contact voltage. I forgot to mention that. Look. The KLEIN don't have that. See, non-contact voltage. I forgot to mention that. That's another nice feature. So let me just put it on. There we go. That's a noise. That's the beep you're gonna hear when you and it turns really. You know that you are on the outlet. I mean, on that circuit breaker. This is a really nice circuit breaker finder. Okay, let me do the KLEIN. Okay. That's KLEIN circuit breaker finder. I mean, non-contact voltage detector. Now here, that's what you'll hear with the KLEIN. And that's what you will see when you found the breaker. Okay? Now, and this gonna be, and as far as the features is concerned, I mean, as far as the clips, I mean, these are alligator clips that come with them. They both are standard. They both look alike. I don't know whether they come from the same company or what, but they both are alike. This is the KAIWEETS. I'm gonna put the KLEIN into it. Standard NEMA plug. It fits. Put the NEMA, the KAIWEETS into the KLEIN. They both fit each other. So even the you need this adapter. They both fit. That's the standard stuff. So you gotta worry about that. All in all, let me give you tell you my opinion about this. Which one is on? Take this noise off. My opinion about these testers. First of all, they both have the same features, except you get a little bit extra with this KLEIN. You get a display. With this KAIWEETS. Sorry about that. You get a little bit extra with this one, as far as the display. If you wanted a transmitter like this, you would have to buy it separately. But this one don't work. You know something? I don't think it works with this. Let me try it out and see. I never tried that one. I don't think it does. So let me see. Okay, so no. No, it doesn't work with it. So if you were to try to at least this one comes with this kit for that price of I think it was $49, and you only get this one with this kit for more. You got to pay more, like $20 more. They both are nice. They really are. KLEIN is a reputable name. I don't know much about KAIWEETS, but this tester right here seemed to be okay. They both are good to me. They both are good. Depends on who you are. Wow, it's going to be hard between the two. But you seem to get more for less money with the KAIWEETS. The KLEIN, you have to spend more. You know, if you just want a basic setup, this is what you get, and that's for $20 more. And if you were to buy one of the display that you can even use with this, this is another $25 right here. So from a standpoint of saving the money, getting more for less money, and the KAIWEETS will win. I cannot say which one is the. I can say the KLEIN 2s. It just feels a little bit better build than this one, as far as the plastics is concerned. As far as both of them working, I think they both, on a scale from 1 to 10, they both did what it was supposed to do. I give both of them a 10. So since, I think coming up against this KLEIN, I think the KAIWEETS is okay. I really do think it's okay. They both are great, but I don't know, guys. I don't know. You know, it's how your money runs, but they both are good. They really are. So, anyway, that's my opinion. Is it worth? Is it worth it? I think so. I think the KAIWEETS is worth it. KLEIN worth it, of course. I think it's worth it also. It's just your preference. But it did not fail. That's I can tell you that much. The KAIWEETS did not fail going up against the KLEIN tubes. Not at all. Okay, that's my opinion. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have a comment, don't forget to support the channel. Hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment if you choose to, or a question. And I'm going to leave the description for both of these in the bottom of the screen. Okay, with that being said, you guys take care, and I'm out.